Ready to go now.
All right, I'm just gonna throw this back here. Oh yeah. Don't let my amateur photography get in the way there.
Yeah, so we got the Sport, which is a 5.2-inch barrel.
Okay.
Full size, 4.4-inch. Compact, right at a 4-inch barrel.
Okay.
Our subcompact, with the smallest one we got.
Yeah, we can skip that.
Yeah. Actually, now I want you to shoot it because everybody's freaking out because it feels better than what you expect.
Okay.
If you shot something that size, it's snappy.
Right.
I'm not gonna say it's ours isn't, but I'm gonna say it's a lot less.
This is okay.
Yeah. SOCOM, which is our tactical model, comes with a threaded barrel and mag well.
Okay.
And then our SOCOM comp. Dawson Precision made the
So
comp.
this is the one that I missed yesterday.
Yeah.
That everybody was talking about.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, I'm here to shoot. So
work your way down.
Work my way down. All right. Okay. Cool. All right, y'all. Sorry, this is the big boy here. Look at that. That's a good little group right there. That is a good little group right there.
We're off to a good start. There you go. So same mag.
Same mag. Okay, that's what I was wondering. Okay. I mean, they look good, bro. Like.
Look good, feel good.
Yeah.
And so far you're shooting good. So.
Yes, sir. Let's see if we can keep it rolling. All right, where's that? There it is. Okay, shooting a little low. I don't know if that was me or if it's the dot. Only thing I don't like is this dot is so thick you can't really co-witness.
Yep.
That's really my only.
We're cut for the RMSC.
Okay.
So that's what happens when you put these larger plates to mount the larger
plates
optics.
on it, yeah. Mm-hmm.
But like this one here.
That one was perfect.
Yeah, see if it's in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah, that one's perfect. All right, getting a little bit tinier. A little bit tinier. Okay, back on target with that one.
Yeah, I know you like the subcompact, but give it a shot. And try it with this big old grip.
With the big mag on there, we might be all right. Mm-hmm. Let's see, we just gonna. Oh yeah, yeah, with the big mag.
Yep.
Yeah, that made all the difference in the world. This thing is tiny. Iron sights. I mean, yeah, it's snappy, but it seemed manageable.
Yep.
Yeah, it seemed definitely manageable.
I'm not gonna tell you it's not snappy. I'm gonna tell you it's a lot less.
Yeah, that's not bad. And again, optics ready, so that's what I'm loving.
Yep.
A lot of and SAR isn't new to the market. It's not necessarily as recognizable as some of the other brands.
Right.
But, you know, every time I've shot you guys guns, whether it was IV-88 range day, whether it was... I've shot some of the SAR's firearms several times. At the regular gun guy, I think that was the last time before this weekend. That K-12 is amazing.
Yeah.
I heard you guys are coming out with, a new variation of the K-12.
Yeah, the 724.
Okay.
It'll be coming out, I would say, in at least about 2 months.
About 2 months.
There in approval with ATF, of course.
Okay.
So as soon as they get done doing their thing, we'll
It'll be good. So that means the next time that I see you guys at a range day, it'll probably be available.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool. So.
Because the SOCOM, like I said, our tactical model, not so in the lightning cut, the barrel, mag well, but all the other features. So you got your flat trigger, raised night sights, optics.
Yeah. And see, that's one thing that I like about newer companies, right? You guys are coming into the market with the features that we already want. Some of the, Smith & Wesson and Glock, it took them a while to kind of catch on to optics ready, night sights, but you guys are already, Magwell, flat face trigger, you're already there.
Yep. I mean, it's like my Harley Davidson. I buy it, but then I got to buy pipes, I got to buy handlebars, I got to buy all. It's kind of like my pistol. I wanted to come out the box just ready to go.
Right.
Let me add an optic and be ready to go.
And be good, yeah.
Yep.
Let's see if we can keep the good shooting going. Now I can't wait to see what this comp does.
Yeah. Now you got to try out the Cadillac.
Oh yeah, this is a big old lack.
Yeah, work the slides. You can feel that.
Yeah, that's pretty smooth for a striker.
Not just the comp, but it's also the recoil assembly. Because you're lightening up the recoil and all that, so you got to lighten up the spring and get it tuned. And that's what Dawson Precision did for us.
And I think that's what a lot of people forget when they start like throwing accessories, porting barrels, adding comps, you know, after jets and afterburners and all this stuff.
Yep.
Sometimes it does take some additional, you know, like you say, tuning and stuff like that. And you think, oh, I just throw this on, and it's like, okay. And then you figure out, like, well, it don't work. And you think the part is trash.
Right.
And as a gunsmith, I come across that sometimes where customers like, man, I did this to my AR, or I did this and that, and now it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Right? It needs just that little bit of little tuning.
Yep.
You know?
Somebody will screw on a comp, and then like, oh no, now I have to run 124s or plus P so it'll cycle. This
just need
one's
a regular
tuned.
string. Yeah, the spring makes all the difference, man.
These are 115s running through it just fine.
Yeah, usually if it can run 115, it'll run anything. Yeah. Okay, 15 capacity. Of course, we being nice so we don't shoot up all the ammo. Oh, this is a big ass window on this dot. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one returned to zero real fast.
Oh yeah.
Like, I felt like I probably could have shot it a little faster, but I just wanted to, for, you know, video purposes, not be that asshole that have some horrible rounds there. Yeah? All right. And this fits the, oh yeah, okay. So then let me ask you this then. For, I guess, your full-size models, right? Like, let's say you have, you know, this one, and you got this one, it's the same magazines.
Yep. So you can run larger mags into the smaller frames. But like, let's say our compact, it has a 15-round mag, it's not going to fit in there.
Right,
but larger going to
right.
smaller, all day.
Oh, that's cool.
Subcompact, you can throw a 21-rounder in there if you want.
Wow. Let's see, just for shits and giggles. Drop the mag. Yeah. Locks in. Looks weird.
Yep.
But you don't necessarily have to buy another. You don't have to buy another magazine, you know, just because you got a different gun. So that's cool.
Yep.
That's very good. Woo, that shit is big. What the hell are they shooting? Oh, that gotta be a shotgun. Yeah.
It just wants to go fast.
It does, man. It does. It definitely does. And that's, you know, that's kind of surprising. But the features on it make sense, right? The comp, the flat face trigger, you know, those are things that make these guns shoot fast.
Yep.
You know, the mag well helps you get a good, it's not about reload sometimes. That mag well helps you get a good firm purchase on that. You know, especially for somebody like me with bigger hands, it just gives you that extra from the bottom. Yeah, yeah.
And and these optic companies are getting better too.
Yeah.
We're RMSC cut, but look at that large window there. Look at the large window on that one.
Right, like these windows are
So the
getting
optics
so
companies are really
huge.
doing their job.
Gideon, okay. I mean, this shit is humongous. Like,
I'm like, does it come with a Netflix subscription?
I mean, Jesus Christ, this thing is huge. But that's good though, because it's all about, you know, that quick site acquisition, that quick target acquisition. You know, being able to put on target fast.
Oh yeah.
So, you know, big window, clear dot. You know, firearm that's not gonna let you down.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for trying them all out, man.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get a little zoomed in on this target here, so people can't say I was just shooting. So I was shooting at the top circle there, the number 4. Okay, and so that group in there is kind of crazy. You know, I had some that dropped a little low, but we know that sight wasn't on.